Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to download and use GarageBand on an Android device in 2025 step by step. If you have been wondering how to get this popular music creation app on your phone or tablet, stay tuned. First, it's important to know the GarageBand is an Apple app officially available on only for iPhone, iPad and Mac. Apple has not released a native version for Android in 2025. So you can connect directly download it from the Google Play Store. So there are two main options. Use GarageBand alternatives like BandLab or Walk Band. They work great on Android and offer similar features. If you really want to GarageBand, you can try cloud-based or emulate methods, but make sure to only use trusted source to avoid malware. So let's go with the safer method to open Google Play Store. You can see this and search for BandLab or Workband. Both are free and have GarageBand like tools. Tap install, wait for it to download and open the app. Once installed, sign in or create a free account. You can start creating music using visual virtual instrument, drum pads or loops, just like GarageBand. If you choose BandLab, it also offers cloud savings and collaboration with other artists. For those who really want GarageBand, you can try use an iOS emulator or Android, but this is not officially supported and may not run smoothly. Always download emulators only from verified sources if you decide to go this route. And that's it. That's how you can download and start using GarageBand or its best alternative on Android in 2025. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.